Hey, Coach Greg here at Spell Training, and today I have a sitting cardio workout for beginners. Maybe you are just getting started with your fitness journey or you're getting back on track with it. I have a nice seated workout that's really gonna help you boost your energy, get your heart rate up, burn some fat, and have a great time doing it. So let's get started. We are gonna be doing 3 sets. First set, I'll be more explaining and demonstrating these cardio fat burning exercises for you. And then the next 2 sets will be more of a complete run through of all of them, less talking my part, more doing on yours. So without further ado, let's get started with our first exercise. We have some seated punches. So grab a seat, keep your water close by because we're most likely gonna need it. Sit up nice and tall. I like to sit near the edge of my seat just to make sure my tailbone is tucked beneath me. I have a flat back, core is engaged. We're gonna do 30 seconds. Here we go. So we're just gonna keep our arms up and we are going to punch. You can just keep them straight here or you can twist to the side, whatever you feel comfortable with. The goal is just to extend your arms as far in front of you as you can. It helps if you can make a fist with it and just turn that wrist over, boom, just like this, but it doesn't need to be anything fancy. The goal is just to move our arms, keep them up, make sure you're breathing, core tight, throw those punches, just like this. This is a great one to warm up the whole body, warm up the arms, get that core engaged. 3, 2, and 1. Great job, moving right along. We have some chair squats. I know you're like, wait, Coach Greg, you said we're gonna be sitting for the most part. So I like to have my feet closer to my chair to just make sure all my weight is moved forward, leaning forward. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but you understand. Maybe you don't, but engage your core, lean slightly forward, and we are going to stand up, essentially as if we're trying to like sit down and then boom, stand right up. So you should have all your weight shifted to the front, just like this. So we're gonna do 30 seconds of these chair squats and let's do it. So lean forward, back straight, boom, just like this. All we're doing is standing back up and sitting down. This is a great one. You're gonna feel it all in your hamstrings, your quads. Keep that back flat. Boom, just like so. Make sure you're breathing. And this is a good one because you can always rest at the bottom, right? A normal squat, you have to hold your body weight, but the chair or your bench has your back. So a couple more, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Take a seat, take a breather, and we are gonna be doing some inside foot taps. Sit up nice and tall. I like to keep my feet a little wider, shoulder width, and all we're doing is alternating between bringing our foot up, tapping with our foot, bringing it back down, and boom, bringing the other. Pretend as if you're using a hacky sack, you should almost be rotating your foot outward like this, or inward, I should say. Boom, just like that. So here we go, 3, 2, and let's go. This is a great one just to activate your hip flexors, your abductors, your adductors, all of it. Make sure, try not to lean back too much. You're gonna feel the need to just sit up near the edge, tuck your tailbone, and boom. Really engage your core with it. Tap those feet. What do I say? I'm so tired, I'm making up words. Here we go. Almost done with this. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Last but not least, here's more of an active recovery stretch. We are gonna be doing some side reaches. Sit up nice and tall. 30 seconds on the clock, and here we go. We are just reaching up from one side to the other, bringing it back down, reaching, just like this. I like to keep my arms in this position just so I don't have to keep picking them up and down. Really reach, feel the stretch along your oblique, just like that. Make sure you're breathing through these, and you can go at a faster tempo once you get the hang of things. The goal really is we want to feel that stretch. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. There you have it. These are your 4 exercises. Grab some water, because I am. And then we're going to get started with this second set in just a second. Alrighty, we know what we're doing. Let's do it right now. Seated punches in 3, 2, 1, go. Chair squats in 3, 2, 1, go. Inside foot taps, 3, 2, 1, go. Side reaches in 3, 2, 1, go. There you go, second set done. One more remaining. Grab some water. Let's get it. Let's finish strong, baby. We're getting some cardio in, we're burning some fat. Third set starts now. Seated punches in 3, 2, 1, go. Chair squats in 3, 2, 1, go. Inside foot taps, 3, 2, 1, go. Side reaches in 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, give yourself one of these and one of these, you earned it. That was your sitting cardio workout for beginners. You are not a beginner anymore. You just went through this workout with me, so thank you so much, my friend. And if you like these type of workouts and videos, then go ahead and click the notification bell to stay on top of any new workouts coming your way. I'm Coach Greg. I will see you in the next one. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.